Yes, sir. Yo, YouTube. Welcome to the Great FX TV, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're still with the force, just hit that like button and share the video so that you can reach as many people as possible, man. You know, with the double P's, the productivity and the positivity, man. I'm back with another strategy. I'm back with another bang. I mean, but guys, this is Crash. I'm Boom 500. So you know this series that I'm starting. Um, don't mind the times and the dates of me uploading these videos because these are the ones that I'm going to start with. I'm starting with this one. I'm introducing this series with these videos, so don't mind I uploaded them on a Wednesday whatsoever. No, don't mind that. But the format is going to be that I'm going to upload these videos of analysis each and every Tuesday and each and every Saturday. We're no longer uploading on Tuesday. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Analysis, I'm going to upload it on Tuesday and Saturday. If I upload indicators, I'm going to upload indicators on a Tuesday. So that's how it should be. So yeah, man, this is Boom 500. I analyzed it and I just uploaded a video of it, but then you will never control the market. So the market decided to go the other way, right? Decided to go the other way, and you just have to adapt with the market, man. If the market does this, you have to change with it and everything, you understand? So I see what it did. If you can watch the video, the previous video clearly, you're gonna see that it was supposed to do that. It was really supposed to do that. I saw that later though. If you know price action, you'll be able to see, man. So you know what we do first. It's gonna be easy, guys, um if I clear the chart and analyze from the start, because I don't like using a dirty chart though. If you want to see these analysis, you can go to the previous video and watch it, man. We started on a weekly time frame, right? You see, we were in a strong downtrend. We were in a strong downtrend, but then we had this weekly resistance. We had this weekly resistance. Yeah. We had that weekly resistance. And then from here, we cannot analyze on a weekly time frame. We start on a daily time frame, right? And then when we got here, you know what happened, right? This is a daily time frame. We mark the highest point. Here's our highest point on this resistance. After marking our highest point, we mark our lowest point. This is the range that we're going to play around. After marking the lowest point, we mark the trend, right? So we have the trend line, support there, and then we have the trend line resistance. You see, so you can see that the market has been playing around this area. It has been playing around that area. And you remember, like I said on the first video, you have to get a third touch, and you can see that the market is now dropping. When I said that, the market was around this level, so you can see that it is dropping, but then it decided to spike before that. So I'm going to show you guys why did it spike before coming down. I'm going to show you guys. So there's not really a lot of things that we can do on a daily time frame. We're gonna go to our 4 hours, right? So when we get here, you see what happened. Remember, I marked this last time. I said it broke our trend line and then it got back inside of it. You see, so it decided to trick us. Okay, it's fine. That's the market for you. So I realized this later because we had a a very big continuation pattern to the upside. Here it is. You can see. I realized this later. You see. So I didn't want to edit the video and make it fake and whatsoever. I want to be as original as I can, man. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. That's how the market is. We cannot be saying, oh, what. No, we should be original. So meaning you can see that in this case, the market went up. When it got here, it retraced. So now it just went up again. So you see that's a pattern. You see, it's an impulse correction impulse. So now we are in a what? We are now in a correction. So it seems like, if the market doesn't break this third touch, it seems like we're going to go to shoot to the upside, man. It seems like that, but then you cannot control the market. You cannot control the market. So yeah, man, you can see it broke out of this, and then when it got here, it broke out, it retraced, then it shot straight to the upside, man. It shot straight to the upside. So if you can check clearly, we went to our 1 hour time frame. We went to our 1 hour time frame, and let me show you what we marked. Let me show you what we marked. You're gonna see this is all going to make sense at the end. We marked this. We marked this. We marked this. We marked this. I'm not saying this is what's going to happen. I'm showing you on the previous video. This is what happened. So you see what happened, guys. The market, remember, it was, let me go to your M15, right? Like I said, you have to adapt with the market. When we analyzed this, the market was here. Like I said, if you can watch that video clearly, I said this is a continuation pattern. And you know what is a continuation pattern, right? I said this is a continuation pattern. The market was here when we analyzed. The market was here, right here. It was on a Monday. The market was right here. So this is a continuation pattern. So you know what is a continuation pattern, right? A continuation pattern is when the market goes up and then it just retraces, giving you a chance to enter, and then it continues with the previous direction. So that's what basically happened, guys. That is why it broke this trend line like that. And the reason that made it to also break this trend line, it is because we had the first touch right there, you can see, and then we had the second touch right here, and then we heard the third touch right here. So it's obvious, how the third touch is, man. It touched for the first time, second time, third time, and then it gained the momentum to the upside. It went up, it gave us a continuation pattern. It shot up and broke it, retraced, and then it ended up going up, but then, it lacked momentum to pass this level. It wanted to finish the 90% rule, but then it couldn't. So it ended up respecting a certain supply in this area. But then that's not what we're going to do for today. So let's remove this one. So you can see that the market broke this 4 hour structure. This 4 hour structure went to the upside, came to the downside. So what we have to do is that we have to adapt with the market. We're gonna take our trend line from here to there, and then we're gonna take the support trend line from here to here, to here. Yes. So yeah, this is how it is now. This is another what? Because guys, it just has to make sense, man. The market likes to repeat itself and stuff. You can see that here it went up, here, from here to here. It came down like it was changing the trends, but then in the bigger perspective, this was just a continuation pattern. And then you can see that it broke that pattern. So now it is coming again. It seems like it is what? It is changing the trend, but then it might be doing the same thing again, which is what? Giving us a continuation pattern, just like here. So I still believe that the market will come down, and if maybe like the market will come, respect, like this the first touch, second touch, and then it might come and give us the third touch, and also the third touch on a bigger trend line. If it doesn't respect this demand, you see, if it doesn't respect that demand, because if it respects that demand, it's going to shoot to the upside right now. You see, it just spiked a little bit on a smaller time frame. It just spiked a little bit. See, so if it doesn't respect this, it's going to shoot to the downside, and then it will respect this third touch no matter what. And then when it gets here, if it gets here, guys, you have to buy. If it gets to this third touch and also the third touch of 4 hour of this daily time trend line, right? So yeah, man, see, that's easy. So you will just have to analyze like this, and then you'll monitor it and see what you can do, man, on your way forward. Let's go to M50. There's really nothing, because I was looking at this. I was saying if it respects that demand, we're gonna be having this pattern right here. We're gonna be having this pattern right here if it respects this demand, and then it's gonna be something like this. When it breaks, we're gonna wait for a retracement, and then after retracement, we're gonna wait for a confirmation. Then we buy to the upside. If it respects this, if it respects this demand right here, if it respects that demand. But then if it doesn't, you can leave that pattern and then wait for it to shoot to the downside. Then when it gets here, it should give you a pattern, to reverse. And then when it reverses, you will wait for confirmations, your candles. You will see when the candles are getting smaller. You will see the pin bars, you will see maybe your Fibonacci on a higher time frame, you see, just so that you so guys, I'm doing these videos just to give you the direction. This is not the proper signal. If you want the signals, go to my Telegram channel. The link is down below, man. The link is down below. So yeah, man, I guess this is it, man. This is it. I don't want to make this video to be too long. We're already on 14 minutes. So yeah, man, I appreciate you if you stayed up to this far. This was just an update of Boom 500, man. So you will monitor it, just what happens from here. If it respects this, you're going to see it's going to break out of this pattern. If it respects this demand, you're going to see it's going to break out of this pattern and retrace, and then it will shoot to the upside. But then if it doesn't, it's going to break below this pattern. If it breaks below, then forget. You'll just wait for it. You just wait for it to get here. You just wait for it to get here. And then when it gets here, it's going to be a perfect entry, because it's going to be first, second, third, and then it's going to be also first, second, and it's going to be third. So it's going to be 3 touches on daily time frame, 3 touches on 4 hour time frame. So it's going to be massive, man. It's going to be massive if it comes here, So yeah, man, that's it, man. I appreciate you if you stayed up to this far, man. This was just an update. We're still going to come back with more fire videos, man. So if you're new to the channel, just click that subscribe button, man. And, tell me what you think below, man. Thank you, man.